from this nice expression, we have our x power 2x to be written as 2 power x power 2, and the term 2 power x plus 1 can also be written as 2 multiply 2 power 1 multiplied by 2 power x. This can then be put into the expression to have 2 power x into bracket power 2 plus 2, which can be written as 2 power 1, which can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 power x. Everything equals to 40. So from here, let y equals to 2 power x. So wherever we see 2 power x, we insert y in it. So this then gives us y power 2 plus 2y equals to 40. We are moving the right hand side to the left hand side. Y squared plus 2y minus 40 equals to 0. From here, we can then use the quadratic formula to solve this. That can be factorized. So from here we have our y to be equals to minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4 a c over 2a. So from the formula, we have our a to be equals to 1, b to be equals to 2, then c to be equals to minus 40. So inserting this value into the formula, we have y will be equals to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by minus 40. Everything will give us multiplied by 2 and 1. So from here we have minus 2 plus or minus square root two square give us 4 minus minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by minus 40. Everything gives us plus 160 over 2 multiplied by 1 gives us 2. So here we then have y be equals to 2 plus or minus square root of, that's 164. If we add y, and then be written as minus 2 plus or minus square root of 164 can then be written as square root of 4 multiplied by 41, everything over 2. We can then split this as minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 41, everything over 2. Square root of 4 gives us 2. We now have minus 2 plus or minus 2 multiplied by square root of 41, everything over 2. The 2 at the denominator can cancel the 2 at the numerator altogether. This expression will now give us minus 1 plus or minus square root of 41 will now be our resolving y. Then from here, since our y equals to 2 power x, so we replace that with y. We now have 2 power x equals to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 41. So we can then solve for x in this case. So we can then solve for x in this case. So we have taking the log of both sides. We have log of 2 power x equals to log of, into bracket, minus 1 plus or minus square root of 41. So here our x will come down to this side according to the rule of logarithm. We now have x log of 2 equals to log of, into bracket, minus 1 plus or minus square root of 41, close the bracket. We can then divide both sides by log 2. Divide by log 2 in order to isolate the x. So we have log of, into bracket, minus 1 plus or minus square root of 41 to bracket over log 2. Here log 2, we go with log 2. We are now left with x equals to log of, into bracket, minus 1 plus or minus square root of 41 into bracket over log 2. So from the rule of logarithm, we say log A over log B can be written as log A base B. So applying that to x, we now have x to be equals to log of into brackets minus 1 plus or minus square root of square root of 41 will now give us log 2. This implies our value of x, which is going to be our final answer that I need in benefiting from this. We'll meet in the next lesson. Bye for now.